got good morning, Jerry Nation. I just got to my boy Joey's house, and I don't know what I just sent him a "I'm here" text. I don't like going knocking on the door; it makes me anxious. So I just texted here, and I hope he responds with saying something. So this is my official first day off-ish from the coronavirus. Tomorrow I go to school for half a day, but today I get a day off, and then we go from there. I'm still waiting for the response, and I will give updates later. So this is Tucker. Tucker, come here, baby. Hi. Say hi. What? Tucker. Oh, you got me. Ooh. Oh, is this for the both of us?
Yeah, I mean, you just want some.
Okay. What do you want? You know how to live your Coronacation tortilla chips. I'm struggling here. I'm getting the funky flu fever. All right. Okay, so today, obviously I'm at my friend Joey's house, and now what's gonna happen from here is we're going to Wegmans. Ooh, Hamlet.
Have you seen the toilet paper stockies?
Actually no, and I can't wait to see it. I'm super excited to go see toilet paper. Now, I gotta drive, so I'm gonna put the camera away, and we're not gonna do what we did yesterday, because that was cool, but the banter takes forever, and I cut a lot out of the banter because it was just pointless. It was just, I can't do it. All right, guys. So Wegmans had nothing, so we're going to Walmart now.